Hey tech enthusiasts, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get a free Payoneer MasterCard. Welcome back. Having a credit card could be crucial for almost everyone, and especially the freelancers who need to retrieve their revenues, as they may live in countries where they do not support the international money transfer. That's why they may need an international credit card. One of the best and the most popular platforms for freelancing is Fiverr. And what makes this platform special is that it provides the freelancers to connect and get a free Payoneer credit card to retrieve your money. First of all, you need to head onto your profile at the top in here. Next, as you can see, here are the different gigs that we have, and you too must have some gigs featured into your homepage or selling page, and this will allow your account to be 100% complete. After that, you head to the tab earnings, and here, as you can see, we have bank transfer and we have Fiverr revenue card, both for Payoneer, which is one of the most reliable payment system worldwide. As I said, what we need is getting a Fiverr MasterCard free card from Payoneer. You click on it, they will ask for verification, so you just need to verify by SMS that you are the owner of the account. Wait for your message, make sure that you have the phone that you have registered with in Fiverr. Next, wait a few seconds and you will receive the code. Type it in here, and after that you just submit code. If you still have any problem, you can submit another SMS. Great, almost done. We are verified by phone now, and now we can go to the next step, which is checking the email and follow the instruction in order to add the Fiverr revenue card account. Let's open our email account, and as you can see here, we have received a message from Fiverr. Confirm your Fiverr Payoneer card information. So here we have the procedure in order to proceed. So to continue with the process, you need to click the first link. Otherwise, if you receive this by mistake, you can just report it from the second link. So here we'll be hitting the first link. This will take us to a new page, the revenue card withdrawals, which is an easy and convenient and supported by Payoneer and powered by MasterCard. The revenue card by Fiverr to conveniently withdraw your Fiverr earnings and make purchases easily. At the bottom in here, you can also check the fee table associated with the card, and that Fiverr does not charge any fees for this card too. So as you can see here, we have $1 for each time a payment is loaded to the account, and $1 each time is loaded also to the account for immediate and standard payment received. The card activation is $5 per card, one-time fee when card is first loaded, and you can also use card-to-card transfer, which is upon request. That being said, let's get started. Hit the button. It will be redirected to fill in all the forms and complete the procedure, the prepaid card setup. So you fill in all the information, first name, last name, the email, and the date of birth. Next, you just proceed to the next page. The contact details, select your country, your address, city or town, the zip code, and your phone number is essential or necessary. Great. After that, we have the security details. Here you will need to fill in the fields in English characters only, the username that you will be using, the password, security question, and security answers. Just select from the drop-down menus the questions and provide the answer to them. The last step, which is also crucial, here you need to provide your ID type. What ID would you be using? National ID card, passport, or driving license, depending on the country you are in. The option will be available depending on the country you are residing in. Next, you just fill in the shipping address. You can also enter an alternate shipping address, and at the bottom in here, agree to all the 3 terms and condition of use. Make sure that you have included the correct address for shipping, otherwise the card will not be shipped. And avoid public places like schools, hospitals, libraries, or any public place. Just keep it private. If you are in the United States, you may need the social security number too as a proof of identification. When you are all set, just hit order. Few seconds, and voila. Here you need to review the process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once the application has been reviewed, and you will be redirected back to your Fiverr account. And the Fiverr revenue card application was submitted and is being reviewed by MasterCard, and you will be notified by email as soon as the card is shipped. Here we have received the verification email, and that we have requested the card to confirm that they are reviewing it to get payment from Fiverr, and it will take up to 3 business days. Once approved, we will send you an email the same way. Next, you need to verify your email or your Payoneer account. Just hit it, and voila, thank you. So your Payoneer account has been successfully verified for the card submission. Let's now sign in into our account to check the cards if it is available or not. After putting in your credential, you will be redirected to mobile verification. You can turn it on or off. If you choose on, then you need to also to verify your phone again. Verify, then resend if you have not received the message for a long period of time. Hit verify, and voila. You need to copy and save the recovery code. Make sure you save it save this code in order to recover your account if there is any problems. Great. Let's sign in again. And here we are redirected to security questions. Just answer the security question that you have chosen. Provide the answer and tick the terms and conditions. And hit save. This for the security of your account. Voila, as you can see, our Payoneer account has been verified successfully, and it is 100% complete. Now you can start collecting your revenues and sending your transactions. You may hit the bell icon at the top if you have any notification to make sure the account is always updated. And now you just need to wait few days until the card reaches your door. You can always contact the support team to check for your card shipping if it takes too long. And that's it. With this, you get your free MasterCard to enjoy your revenues. Hope that was helpful. If so, don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell in order to get the latest updates. This is your host Izzedine. See you around.